Hello guys, this is Tutorial Stream, and in this video you will learn how you can change the visibility status of your projects inside your Toggl Track workspace. So let us begin. Head over to Toggl Track, and after that select your organization / workspace in the top left corner inside your account. I will go with this one here, and then click into projects here under manage to the left. And here guys, what you want to do next is click into the given project. You can view it, for example, here. I can also view the tasks here in the time tracker, and then click into edit project in the top right. And from there, what you want to do is switch on the visibility here from private to public. Now it's private, visible only to our project members, and also set it to public, for example, so that anyone in the given organizational workspace can view the given project and, for example, view it. So confirm by clicking into save here. And that's how you do it, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.